Class 9th NCERT Math question number 8, exercise number 7.1, question number 8. Question number 8. In right triangle ABC, right angle at C, right angle ABC, ABC, right angle at C, right angle, it means 90 degree at point C. It is given M is the midpoint of hypotenuse AB. M is the midpoint of hypotenuse AB. Hypotenuse AB. M is the midpoint. M is the midpoint. It means MA is equal to MB. It is given from the question. MA is equal to MB. C is joined to M. C is joined to M and produced to the point D. C is joined to M and this line produced to up to D, such that DM is equal to CM. DM is equal to CM. D, it means we can say that M is also the midpoint of the line segment C and D. CM is equal to DM and MB is equal to MA, or AM is equal to BM. It is given so that D, such that DM is equal to CM. Point D is joined to point B. Point D is joined to point B, so that triangle, first one, it is triangle AMC congruent to triangle BMD. AMC, this triangle congruent to triangle BMD. BMD. Here it is given this side is equal to this side. DM is equal to CM and BM is equal to AM, and this angle is equal. Why it is equal? Because it is the vertical opposite angle. So we can say here by side angle side, side angle side, both the triangle are congruent by SAS congruency theorem. Now I am going to write down the proof of question number first. In triangle AMC and BMD, which triangle? AMC and BMD, both the triangle. In this triangle, this is equal to this and this is equal to this, it is given, and this angle is equal to this angle, vertical opposite angle, and this is 90 degree. So in this triangle AMC and BMD, AMC AM is equal to BM. 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 It is given. And CM is equal to DM. Given it is CM is equal to DM. We have to write here in sequence way. CM is equal to DM. DM in this triangle, CM is equal to in this triangle DM. Both the sides are equal as indicated in the figure. So we can write here CM is equal to DM. It is also given from the question. And angle AMC is equal to BMD. Angle AMC is equal to angle BMD, cross a vertical opposite angle. vertical opposite angles are equal. Vertical opposite angles are equal, so we can say that triangle AMC congruent to triangle BMD by SAS congruency theorem. This is the first part. In second part, angle DBC is right angle. DBC is right angle. DBC is right angle. Triangle AMC congruent to triangle BMD above proved. We write here triangle AMC congruent to triangle BMD above proved. So corresponding part of the congruent triangle is equal. Corresponding part of the congruent triangle, it means this angle is equal to this angle. This is the corresponding part of the congruent triangle. So we can write here BDM, angle BDM. For this angle BDM is equal to angle ACM. This is the corresponding part of congruent triangle. So angle BDM is equal to angle ACM. It is by CPCT. And we can say that it is alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle. If alternate interior angles are equal, then we can say that BD parallel to AC, because the alternate interior angle are equal. So here it is alternate interior angle. So we can say that here can say that DB parallel to AC and CD is a transversal. CD is a transversal. And we also can say that DB parallel to AC and BC is a transversal. DB parallel to AC and BC or CB. BC is a transversal. BC is a transversal. So we can say that this angle, whole angle, and this angle is co-interior angle. Angle DBC plus angle ACB is equal to 180 degree, because it is the co-interior angle. Co-interior angle. And the value of ACB is 90 degree. It is given. Value of angle ACB is equal to 90 degree given in the figure. Sorry, given in the figure or question? Given. So angle from this equation, angle DBC plus, in place of angle ACB we can put here the value of ACB is 90 degree. 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. Then angle DBC is equal to 180 degree. It is in plus. So when we send them on the other side of the equal to sign, its sign will be changed. So it is plus 90 degree. After changing its side, it becomes the minus 90 degree. After subtracting, it is equal to angle DBC is equal to 90 degree. It is also proved. In question number 3, we have to prove triangle DBC congruent to triangle ACB. DBC, this triangle DBC congruent to triangle ACB, this triangle. In this triangle, BC is common for both the triangle. BC is common for both the triangle, and DB congruent to triangle AC. How it is congruent? Because this triangle DBM and ACM are congruent. So DB is equal to AC, corresponding part of the congruent triangle. So DB is equal to AC. And just now in the question number 2, we have proved angle C is 90 degree and angle B is also 90 degree. So we can say that by side angle side angle side, it is congruent by congruency theorem, side angle side. Okay. In triangle DBC and triangle ACB, in triangle DBC and triangle ABC, side BC is common, BC and CB. BC is equal to CB. DB is equal to AC, above proved by CPCT. Above proved by CPCT, and angle B is equal to angle C is equal to 90 degree. It is also above proved. So triangle DBC congruent to triangle ACB by side angle side congruency theorem. Now question number 4. In question number 4, CM is equal to half of AB. In triangle DBC congruent to triangle ACB, above proved. Above proved. So AB is equal to CD, and AB CD, where it is the CD we can write CM plus DM, and CM is equal to DM. So CD is equal to CM plus DM. AB is equal to CD is equal to CM plus DM, and CM is equal to DM. So we can write here AB is equal to Cm plus Cm. How? Because Cm is equal to dm. In place of dm we have to write Cm because Cm is equal to dm. Now AB is equal to Cm plus Cm 2Cm. Cm plus Cm 2Cm. Again here what will happen, AB is equal to 2Cm. So half AB by 2 is equal to Cm. So we can write here Cm is equal to half of AB. It is proved.